Hey guys, Sarge here. Hope you're doing good. Wednesday, June 5th, 2024, the year of Mordor. Well, Mordor just got a little prettier. We're going to have a little unboxing here. This is from a supplier right here in my neck of the woods. And it took less than 2 days to arrive. That was pretty awesome. Alright, what's in here? Here, these are the guys. Gold and Silver Bullion, Canada. And the gentleman is Julien Delarme. So that's that. This is my invoice. Yeah, alright. What do we have? Ooh, got me a pen, yay! Alright. What is in here? Let's give it a look. Cha-ching. Some of y'all might really enjoy this. To some, it's not going to be something they would go for. Good grief, there's a mile long of that. Alright. Check this out, guys. These are pretty amazing, especially at the price they were at. That's what makes them fantastic. First of all, as you can see, they're stackers. They all fit one into the other. See? Here's what it is. This is from Haley Mint. Where do I... Here you go. Haley Bug Mint. Now, these are proofs. That's the back. Very well made. Here's the front. Check this out. Think like a captain. Act like a pirate. Whoa. These are pretty darn nice. Check this out. Wow. I like. Very much so. I hope it's coming out good. It seems to be okay in the little viewfinder here. I hope it's coming out good on screen, but this is nice. So this is one of two orders. I wanted something, and like I said in my other videos, this is the kind of stuff you stack once. You're kind of comfortable with what you got. There's no set amount. It's whatever you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with 500 ounces and after you want to start having fun, hey, so be it. Of course, like anybody else, you try to get as much as you can. That's the goal. But, yeah, I'm at that stage where I want to get some decent pieces also. Not just stack for weight. So I'm enjoying buying these. So just to let you know, I paid these $45.51, if I'm not mistaken, a piece. So that was an insane deal. A maple is 46. So I'm less than a maple. Not a maple, I'm sorry, a buffalo was 46. I'm less than a buffalo. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that. Cheers. Sarge.